Hi, good morning. Alex here with Autonomous Trading. In January 2019, a few months ago, not long ago, we reiterated Ferrari as the single best car company to invest in on a long-term basis. And therefore we wrote an article, you have it here, in January, and we recommended to quadruple the investment position. At that time, Ferrari it was trading around $98 or so. The article is very explicit. We have a strong buy rating in Ferrari since basically IPO, $33. At that time, most Wall Street analysts, they had sell ratings or neutral ratings in Ferrari. In fact, completely ridiculous, since Ferrari will not ever again trade at those prices. And we continuously wrote articles on several blogs, on several websites worldwide, referring to Ferrari as grossly undervalued. Therefore, you have it here. Other example, 1 year ago, my colleague, in the subject of investing and earnings, to continue investing in Ferrari. Several programs. We have been long-term investors in Ferrari. At that time, Ferrari it was trading around $67. Again, bear market prices. Ferrari, obviously the stock has a tremendous upside. Having said this, just to explain what investment is all about, comparing, for example, to these American scammers that they've been investing in bubble stocks. I'm referring here to an article that you have on the blog, also 100% free. The case of Under Armour. Under Armour is today on the news because Under Armour it is a Ponzi scheme. We refer to it precisely at the very top when these crocs in the United States, they were telling everyone to buy shares of this company before it collapsed down to single digits. Today it is on the news because the Department of Justice made public that Under Armour it is in fact a Ponzi scheme, and therefore you should invest in companies like Ferrari and not American scams. So you have it as of today on the news. So it does not constitute any surprise, and by the way, I strongly recommend that you read the articles because they are free, they are available on the different blogs and with videos. Therefore, it is completely normal, given our track record in the markets, more than 30 years discussing how to invest, 1% free, live on the tape. Today you have Ferrari at $173, new all-time highs. For example, comparing to other companies, case of Tesla, by far more expensive compared to Ferrari, or the case of American scams that they are fully, in debt, like the case of Ford, General Motors, and so on. So this to say that outside of the US, there are in fact, by far better investment opportunities compared to these American scams that you had here for years, the case of Under Armour, or the case of PIN interest that I recently addressed at the United States that meanwhile collapsed, and many others, okay? So Ferrari, my friends, it has been a safe, or the safest investment ever in this sector, automotive, as we made public a long time ago, continuously, and therefore reiterating continuously the strong buy rating, while laughing at these American scammers. Well, and with this I terminate with the new all-time highs, and obviously laughing at these 98% of crocs that they have been not an investors in Ferrari. Instead, they have been gambling in companies like Under Armour, PIN interest, and many other scams in the United States that we referred here for years. Thank you. Bye.